Hello students, welcome to Learn with GBR. Today we are going to learn class 7 chapter 2 fractions and decimals exercise 2.4 all problems. Okay, let's start the first question.
Okay, first one, in that first one 12 divided by 3 by 4. So first మనం ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేసే ముందు డివిజన్ ఆఫ్ హోల్ నెంబర్స్ బై ఏ ఫ్రాక్షన్ హౌ టు, సో ఎలా హోల్ నెంబర్స్ని ఫ్రాక్షన్స్తో డివిజన్ చేయాలో నేర్చుకుందాం. ఓకే, సో ఫస్ట్ లెటెస్ ఫైండ్, మనం ఏదైనా తీసుకుందాం నెంబర్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 3 ఈజ్ డివైడెడ్ బై 1/2. ఇట్ మీన్స్ వాట్, దీని మీనింగ్ ఏంటిది? హౌ మెనీ హాఫ్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ ఇన్ 3. సో 3 టోటల్ 3 హోల్ నెంబర్ కదా, సో 3 హోల్లో హౌ మెనీ హాఫ్స్ ఎన్ని అంటే, సో చూడండి ఇక్కడ 1 2 3 హోల్లో 2 2 2 ఈచ్కి 2 హాఫ్స్ చేశాను. సో దిస్ మీన్స్ 1/2 కదా, 1/2 1/2 1/2 1/2 1/2 ఎన్ని అయినాయి మరి హాఫ్స్ 1/2లో 6 అయినాయి. Therefore 3 is divided by 1/2, it is equal to 6. Let us for example next one 2 is divided by 1/3 means ఏంటి ఇక్కడ how many 1/3s are there in 2 హోల్స్లో 1/3లు ఎన్ని. సో దిస్ మీన్స్ ఇదే కదా, సో ఎన్ని అయ్యాయి 1కి 3 అయ్యాయి, 1 ఫుల్కి 3 అయ్యాయి. సో 1/3 1/3 1/3 1/3 1/3 1/3. సో ఎన్ని 1 2 3 4 5 6, దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 3. సో నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకొక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూడండి. 4 డివైడెడ్ బై 1/4 మీన్స్ హౌ మెనీ 1/4s ఆర్ దేర్ ఇన్ 4 అని మీనింగ్ కదా. సో ఒక్కొక్క దాంట్లో 1/4 మీన్స్ ఒక్కొక్క దాంట్లో 4 చేశాను డివైడింగ్. 1/4 1/4 1/4 1/4. ఓకే, సో ఎన్ని అయ్యాయి మరి 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. సో therefore 4 is divided by 1/4, it is equal to 16 అయ్యాయి. ఓకే, సో వాట్ we observe in this, 3 is divided by 1/2 equal to 6 means how to get 6 means here see 3 is divided by 1/2, it is equal to 3 into 2/1, that is equal to 3 2 is 6. సో ఇక్కడ సిమిలర్లీ సేమ్ 2 into 3/1, that is equal to 6, 2 3 is 6. సో సేమ్ ఇక్కడ చూడండి 4 into 4/1, 4 4 is 16. సో మనకి ఇలానే వచ్చాయి కదా, ఫస్ట్ 6 వచ్చాయి, 3ని 1/2 ఆఫ్ చేస్తే నెక్స్ట్ 2ని 1/3 చేస్తే 6 అండ్ 4ని 1/4 చేస్తే 16 వచ్చాయి కదా. సో సిమిలర్లీ 3 is divided by 1/4, it is equal to 12. Okay, so that means 3 into 4/1, that is equal to 12. సో ఇక్కడ అబ్జర్వ్ చేసినట్లయితే ఏమవుతుంది చూడండి, 3 is divided by 1/2, it is equal to 6 equal to 3 into 2/1 మీన్స్ ఇక్కడ చూడండి 1/2ని 2/1గా రాసా, అంటే రివర్స్. ఇక్కడ న్యూమరేటర్ డినామినేటర్ అయింది, డినామినేటర్ న్యూమరేటర్ అయ్యాయి. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ డివిజన్ అనేది మల్టిప్లైగా చేంజ్ అయ్యేటప్పుడు ఇంటర్చేంజ్ అవుతున్నాయి వాల్యూస్ అనేది. 1/2 అనేది 2/1గా అవుతుంది, 1/3 అనేది 3/1గా, 1/4 అనేది 4/1గా చేంజ్ అవుతుంది, అంటే డినామినేటర్ న్యూమరేటర్ ఈజ్ డినామినేటర్. ఓకే, సో నౌ దిస్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ రెసిప్రోకల్ ఆఫ్ ది ఈచ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్. సో ఫస్ట్ ఇక్కడ 1/2కి రెసిప్రోకల్ ఏమవుతుంది 2/1 అవుతుంది, 1/3కి 3/1 అవుతుంది, 1/4కి 4/1 అవుతుంది, 1/4కి 4/1 అవుతుంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సేమ్ అట్లనే ద రెసిప్రోకల్ ఆఫ్ 4/7. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 4/7 ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఉంది, దానికి రెసిప్రోకల్ ఎలా మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలంటే సింప్లీ ఇక్కడ న్యూమరేటర్ డినామినేటర్ న్యూమరేటర్ కదా, సో 7/4 అవుతుంది. ఓకే, సో మళ్ళీ 7/4కి రెసిప్రోకల్ ఏమవుతుంది 4/7 అంతే. సో మనం వీటిని బేస్ చేసుకొని ఇప్పుడు ఎక్సర్సైజ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేద్దాం. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఇస్ 12 is divided by 3/4. We have 12 into reciprocal of 3/4. ఓకే, 12 into reciprocal of 3/4. సో ఇక్కడ డివిజన్ని మనం ఇంటూ చేస్తున్నాం కదా, సో రెసిప్రోకల్ రాయాలి. దట్ మీన్స్ 12 ఇంటూ రెసిప్రోకల్ ఆఫ్ 3/4 ఏమవుతుంది 4/3 అవుతుంది. సో డినామినేటర్ న్యూమరేటర్ డినామినేటర్ అవుతుంది కదా, దట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 12 ఇంటూ 4/3. సో 3 1 జా 3 4 జా, దట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 16. ఓకే, నవ్ ఇట్స్ క్లియర్. చేస్తే ఈజీగా అర్థమవుతుంది. ఇంకొక ప్రాబ్లం చేస్తే ఈజీగా అర్థమవుతుంది. చూడండి. సో 14 ఈజ్ డివైడెడ్ బై 5/6. వీ హ్యావ్ 14 is divided by 5/6 means into reciprocal of 5/6. Okay, that is equal to 14 into reciprocal of 5/6 means interchanging the values, means numerator numerator 6/5. That is equal to 14 into 6/5. Okay, so 14 6 84/5 అంతే. ఓకే, నా నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకొక ప్రాబ్లం చూడండి. సో 8 డివైడెడ్ బై 7/3. వీ హ్యావ్ 8 ఇంటూ రెసిప్రోకల్ ఆఫ్ 7/3. సో ఆల్రెడీ వీ నో రెసిప్రోకల్స్. సో 7/3 is reciprocal is 3/7. 8 into 3/7, that is equal to 8 into 3/7. 8 3 is 24/7 1 is 7. Okay, next fourth one. 4 is divided by 8/3. We have 4 divided by means into reciprocal of 8/3. That is equal to 4 into reciprocal of 8/3 means 3/8. That is equal to 4 into 3/8. So 4 1 ja 4 2 ja. 1 into 3 3/2. 3/2. Okay. Next problem. 3 is divided by 2 1/3. First, while dividing a whole number by a mixed fraction, first convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. That is equal to, so we have 2 1/3, it is equal to 3 into 2 plus 1/3. That is equal to 3 2 is 6 plus 1 7/3. Then 3 divided by 2 1/3 kada. So 3 into the reciprocal of 7/3. That is equal to, so 3 reciprocal of 7/3 means 3/7. Okay, so 3/7. That is equal to 3 into 3/7. 3 3 is 9/7 is the answer. Okay, now next one. Next, 5 is divided by 3/3 4/7. While dividing a whole number by a mixed fraction, first convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay, we have 3 4/7 means 7 into 3 plus 4/7. 7 3 is 21 plus 4 25/7. Now then 5 is divided by 3 4/7 means 25/7. Then 5 into reciprocal of 25/7. That is equal to, so 5 into reciprocal of 25/7 means 7/25. That is equal to 5 into 7/25. 5 1 ja 5 5 ja. So 1 into 7 7/5. 7/5 is the answer. Okay. Okay, it's clear. Now next second question. Find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. Classify the reciprocals as proper fraction, improper fractions and whole numbers. So first given fractions ki reciprocal రాయాలి. నెక్స్ట్ ఏం చేయాలంటే ప్రాపర్ ఫ్రాక్షనా ఇంప్రాపర్ ఫ్రాక్షనా హోల్ నెంబర్ చెప్పాలి రెసిప్రోకల్ అనేది రాసిన రెసిప్రోకల్. ఓకే, సో ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ 3/7. సో రెసిప్రోకల్ ఆఫ్ 3/7. సో 3/7కి రెసిప్రోకల్ ఏమవుతుంది, ఇంటర్చేంజ్ ద వాల్యూస్ మీన్స్ న్యూమరేటర్ న్యూమరేటర్ అవుతుంది. దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 7/3. సో it is a improper fraction. 7/3 is a improper fraction. Okay, so why it is a improper fraction? A improper fraction is that fraction in which the numerator is more than or equal to the denominator. Okay, now it's clear. Now next one. Next, 5/8. So the reciprocal of 5/8 is 8 by 5. So denominator, numerator, numerator, denominator, interchange. Okay, so now it is 8 by 5 is also a improper fraction. Okay, why it is improper fraction? So a improper fraction is that fraction in which the numerator is more than or equal to the denominator. So denominator kana numerator more than ga undi kada, so this is the improper fraction. Okay, it's clear. Now next one. Next, 9 by 7. The reciprocal of 9 by 7 is 7 by 9. Okay, so it is a proper fraction. A proper fraction is that fraction in which denominator is greater than the numerator of the fraction. So numerator kanna denominator anedi more than ga undi kabatti it is a proper fraction. Okay, now next one. Next, 6 by 5. The reciprocal of 6 by 5 is 5 by 6. So once observe here. So 6 by 5 into 5 by 6. So 6 by 5 ki reciprocal 5 by 6 kada. Now see, 6 1 is 6, 6 1 is 6, 5 1 is 5, 5 1 is 5. That is equal to 1. సో రెసిప్రోకల్ ఆఫ్ టూ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ చేసినప్పుడు వాటి వాల్యూ అనేది మనకి 1 వస్తుంది. సో ఇలా వస్తేనే మనకి ఈ రెండు అనేవి రెసిప్రోకల్స్ అవుతాయి. రెసిప్రోకల్స్ ఆఫ్ ఈచ్ అదర్ మీన్స్ 5/6కి 6/5, 6/5కి 5/6. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈస్ రిమైండెడ్. నౌ సి 5/6 is a proper fraction or improper or whole number? 5/6 is a proper fraction. Okay, so 5/6 is a proper fraction. Why? Because it is a proper fraction. A proper fraction is that fraction in which denominator is greater than the numerator, okay, of the fraction. So it is a proper fraction. Now let's see next one. 12/7. The reciprocal of 12/7 is 7/12. Okay, so 7/12 is also a proper fraction. See, 5/6 is also a proper fraction and here 7/12 is a proper fraction. Why? Because it is a proper fraction. A proper fraction is that fraction in which denominator is greater than the numerator of the fraction. So it is a proper fraction. Okay, next, 1/8. The reciprocal of 1/8 is means here 8 or 8/1, anything. Okay, so let's check 1/8 into 8/1, that is equal to 8 ki cancel అయితే 1 వస్తుంది. సో రెసిప్రోకల్ అవుతాయి కదా. సో therefore so it is a 8/1 means 8. 8/1 means 8 కదా. సో 8 is the whole number. 8 is a whole number. 8/1 is a fraction. ఇంప్రాపర్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ అవుతుంది 8/1 అనేది. ఓకే, సో ఎలా అయినా ఓకే, 8 is a whole number. Now next, 1/11. The reciprocal of 1/11 is 11. So it is a 11 is a whole number. So it is a whole number. Okay, okay, it's clear. Now next third bit, find. First one is 7/3 is divided by 2. So previous problem లో మనం whole numbers ని fractions తో డివిజన్ చేసాం కదా. సో ఇక్కడ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ అనేది whole numbers తో డివిజన్ చేయాలి. So first we have 2. The reciprocal of 2 is 2 is. So 2 means 2/1. Okay, so the reciprocal of 2/1 is 1/2. Okay, now then 7/3 into 2 ki reciprocal 1/2. 1/2, that is equal to 7 1 is 7, 3 2 is 6. Means it means, so mixed fraction convert cheyalante 6 6 1 is 6, 1 is left over. So 1/6 that's the answer. Okay, next, 4/9 is divided by 5. We have the reciprocal of 5 is 1/5. Okay, now then 4/9 divided by means into 1/5. The reciprocal of 5 is 1/5 kada. So that is equal to 4 1 is 4, 9 5 is 45. Okay, so 4/45 is the answer. Next, 16/13 divided by 7. The reciprocal of 7 is 1/7. Okay, then 6/13 divided by means into 7 reciprocal is 1 by 7, that is equal to 6 into 1 by 13 into 7. 6 1 is 6 by 13 7 91. Okay, now next fourth one, 4 1 by 3 is divided by 3. So first convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction, that is we have 4 1 by 3 means 3 into 4 plus 1 by 3, that is equal to 3 4 to 12 plus 1 13 by 3. Now the reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3. Then okay, now then 13 by 3 into reciprocal of 3 means 1 by 3, that is equal to 13 into 1 by 3 into 3. So 13 by 9. Okay, so it's clear. Now next one, 3 1 by 2 is divided by 4. First convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. We have first with 3 1 by 2 means 2 into 3 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 3 to the 6 plus 1 7 by 2. Now the reciprocal of 4 is 1 by 4. Okay, the reciprocal of 4 is 1 by 4. Then 3 1 by 2 means 7 by 2 into 4 ki reciprocal 1 by 4, that is equal to 7 1 ja 7 4 2 ja 8 is the answer. Okay, now next one 4 3 by 7 divided by 7. So first convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction, that is 4 3 by 7, it is equal to 7 into 4 plus 3 by 7 7 4 ja 28 plus 3 31 by 7. Then 31 by 7 into reciprocal of 7 means 1 by 7 kada. So 31 by 7 into 1 by 7, that is equal to 31 1 ja 31 and 7 7 ja 49 is the answer. Okay, now next fourth bit, find first one is 2 by 5 is divided by 1 by 2. సో ఇంతకుముందు మనం హోల్ నెంబర్ని ఫ్రాక్షన్ని హోల్ నెంబర్స్తో డివిజన్ చేసాం కదా. సో ఇప్పుడు ఫ్రాక్షన్ని ఫ్రాక్షన్తో డివిజన్. సో సి నౌ ఫస్ట్ 2 by 5. 2 by 5 divided by means into 1 by 2 the reciprocal of 1 by 2 now. Okay, same ఆ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ లానే. ఓకే, సో 2 by 5 into the reciprocal of 1 by 2. సో 2 by 5కి 2 by 5 into reciprocal of 1 by 2 means 2. Okay, 2 by 5 into 2, that is equal to 2 into 2 by 5. 2 2 is 4 by 5 is the answer. Okay, next 4 by 9 is divided by 2 by 3. So 4 by 9 division means into reciprocal of 2 by 3. Reciprocal of 2 by 3, that is equal to 4 by 9 into reciprocal of 2 by 3 means 3 by 2. Since okay, 4 by 9 into 3 by 2, that means 4 into 3 by 9 into 2. So 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 3 1 ja 3 3 ja 2 into 1 2 3 into 1 3. So 2 by 3 is the answer. Okay, so now next 3 by 7 is divided by 8 by 7. So that is equal to 3 by 7 into the reciprocal of 8 by 7. Okay, so 3 by 7 into reciprocal of 8 by 7 means 7 by 8, that is equal to 3 into 7 by 7 into 8. 7 ki cancel, so 3 by 8 is the answer. Okay, now next one 2 1 by 3 is divided by 3 by 5. So first convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. We have 2 1 by 3, it is equal to 3 into 2 plus 1 by 3. 3 2 is 6 plus 1 7 7 by 3. Now so 2 1 by 3 means 7 by 3 into reciprocal of 3 by 5. Okay, so reciprocal of 3 by 5 is 5 by 3, that is equal to 7 into 5 by 3 into 3, that is equal to 7 5 is 35 by 3 3 is 9 is the answer. Okay, next 3 1 by 2 is divided by 8 by 3. First convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. We have 3 1 by 2, it is equal to 2 into 3 plus 1 by 2. That is equal to 2 3 is 6 plus 1 7 by 2. We have then 7 by 2 into reciprocal of 8 by 3. Okay, so the reciprocal of 8 by 3 is 3 by 8. So 7 3 is 21, 8 2 is 16. 21 by 16 is the answer. Okay, now next 2 by 5 is divided by 1 by 2. So first convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction, that is we have 1 by 2, it is equal to, so 1 2 is 2, 2 plus 1 3 by 2. Then okay, now then 2 by 5 into reciprocal of 1 by 2 means 3 by 2. Okay, reciprocal of 3 by 2 means 2 by 3, that is equal to 2 is 4 by 3 5 is 15 is the answer. Okay, so now next 3 1 by 5 is divided by 1 2 by 3. So 2 are mixed fractions only. Now see, first convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. First we have 3 1 by 5. So 5 into 3 plus 1 by 5, that is equal to 16 by 5. Next 1 2 by 3, it is equal to 3 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 5 by 3. Okay, now then 3 1 by 5 means 16 by 5 into reciprocal of 1 2 by 3 means 5 by 3. So 16 by 5 into reciprocal of 5 by 3 means 3 by 5, that is equal to 16 into 3 by 5 into 5. 16 3 is 48 by 25 is the answer. Okay, next one 2 1 by 5 is divided by 1 by 5. So first convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. First we have 2 1 by 5, it is equal to 5 into 2 plus 1 by 5. Okay, so 5 to the 10 plus 1 11 by 5. Next 1 by 5, 5 into 1 plus 1 by 5, so 6 by 5. Now then 11 by 5 means 2 1 by 5 means 11 by 5. 11 by 5 into reciprocal of 6 by 5. Okay, so 11 by 5 into the reciprocal of 6 by 5 means 5 by 6. Okay, that is equal to 11 into 5 by 5 by 5 into 6. So 5 ki answer 11 by 6 is the answer. Okay, now it's clear. Okay students, in this session exercise 2.4 problems are completed. We will discuss in next class exercise 2.5 problems. Okay, so if you like this video, like, share all your friends, and don't forget subscribe my channel. Thank you.